Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Math Magic Workbook Standard 3rd. Now all of you open your book. Open the page number 222. See the question main 5. Data of the faces falling in the game of dice is given below. See, you know that when we play a ludo game, then snakes and a ladder. At that time, this type of dice we use. Okay, draw the frequency distribution table on its basis. Here you have to draw the frequency distribution table. Okay, on this table आपको ये जो टेबल दिया है उसके हिसाब से आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको ड्रॉ करनी है. Draw the graph and write the answer to the questions. Here you have to draw the graph also and you have to write down the answers to the questions given below. Now see the first of all face of the dice. See here it's dice का face आता है उसमें 1 point होता है. That number of times, how many times? It's 3 times. Then 2 point, then it's 8 times. 3 points वाला है जो वो 5 times है. 4 points वाला है वो 4 times. 5 points वाला है वो 4 times. And 6 points वाला है जो वो 7 times. Now see the next page. See here, frequency distribution table is given. In that number, face of the dice is given, frequency and number of times. On previous page, we have seen that first point वाला जो point है वो how many times है? See, first of all I will show you again. See, it's how many times? It's 3 times. Okay, so you have to show the frequency 3 times. See, here you have to show the frequency 3 times. Number of times you have to write down 3 here. And frequency में आपको क्या करना है? 3. So 3 आपको ऐसे draw करना है. Okay, this way you have to draw it. Now see the second one. Second जो dice है वो 2 dot वाला जो dice है वो 8 times है. So write down here number of times 8 and 8 you have to show it on the frequency table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now see the third one. Third वाला जो वो 3 times है. 3 times वाला जो dice है वो how many times? It's 5 times. So 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this way you have to draw it. Now see the fourth one. Fourth में 4 point है. And how many times? It's 4 times. Number of time is the 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 आपको frequency show it करना है. Now see the fifth one. Fifth one में है 5 dots है. Okay, वो 5 वाला dot है वो number of times is 4. So you have to show the frequency 4 times this way. Now see the sixth number. 6 number में जो dice है वो face of dice में कितने points है? 6 points है. And frequency is the number of time is the 7. So in the frequency you have to show the 7 here. See, this way you have to show it. Now see the question number 1. Which face of the dice comes the most number of times? Most number of times means सबसे ज़्यादा number किसके आए? तो number 8. That it's the face of the dice is the 2 जो dot है वो आपको draw करना है. Okay, so here you have to show the dice this way. And how many times? So 8 times you have to write down here. Now see the second one. Which face of the dice comes the least number of times? Least number of times means सबसे कम. So that one is the this one 3. 3 is the smallest number. And which dice is the जो face में number of dice face जो dice का face है उसमें 1 dot है वो तो 3 times. Okay, so it's 3 times. So आपको draw करना है 1 dot वाला dice. And how many times? It's 3 times. Okay, so write down here 3 times. Now see the number 3. हाउ मैनी टाइम्स डिड 3 डॉट वाला जो डाइस है कम अप. 3 डॉट वाला जो डाइस है वो कितनी टाइम्स है? 5 टाइम्स है. सो राइट डाउन हियर 5 टाइम्स. नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन. हाउ मैनी टाइम्स डिड 6 डॉट वाला जो डाइस है दिस वन, ओके, कम अप, तो वो 7 टाइम्स. सो राइट डाउन हियर 7 टाइम्स. नाउ सी द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Which two faces of the dice come equal number of times? Okay, equal number of times means आपको equal number की कौन सा है? तो see this one 4 and 4 and which dice is this? 4 dot वाला dice है and 5 dot वाला dice है. Okay, so here you have to draw the dice. Okay, 4 dot वाला dice and 5 dot वाला dice आपको draw करना है. Now see the sixth one. How many total times do 4 times वाला जो 4 dot वाला जो dice है वो and this 6 dot type dice face come up. Okay, so see here 4 dot वाला जो dice है वो 4 times and 6 dot वाला जो dice है वो 7 times. So 4 plus 7. Okay, 4 times plus 7 times. 4 plus 7, it's 11 times. Okay, so answer is 11 times. Now see the seventh question. How many more times do 6 dot वाला जो dice है वो face come up then 1 dot faces. Okay, वो कितनी times ज़्यादा है? तो 1 dot वाला जो face है, see here 1 डॉट वाला फेस है वो 3 टाइम्स एंड 6 डॉट वाला जो डाइस है वो 7 टाइम्स. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सी हियर 6 डॉट वाला जो वो 7 टाइम्स, ओके, एंड 1 डॉट वाला है वो 3 टाइम्स. सो हाउ मेनी मोर टाइम्स डू 6 faces come up then 1 dot faces? So 7 times minus 3 times. 7 minus 3, it's 4 times. Now see the eighth one. How many less times do this 5 dot faces come up then 2 dot faces of dice? Now see in the table 5 dot वाला जो face है वो 4 times है and 2 dot वाला जो faces है वो 8 times है. See here 5 डॉट वाला जो फेसेस है वो 4 टाइम्स है एंड 2 डॉट वाला है 8 टाइम्स. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी लेस टाइम? 8 टाइम्स माइनस 4 टाइम्स. 8 टाइम्स माइनस 4 टाइम्स. 8 minus 4, it's 4 times. So write down answer 4 times less. Now see the ninth question. What is the difference between the number of times of 4 dot face and 5 dot face of dice? Okay, 4 dot faces and 5 dot faces. See here 4 dot faces जो है वो है 4 times and 5 dot faces जो वो 4 times. So see the question again, both are 4 times. Okay, what is the difference between the number of times of 4 times face and 4 dot faces and 5 dot faces? Both are 4 times 4 times. So 4 times 4 minus 4 times minus 4 times is equal to 0. So your answer is the 0. Difference तो कुछ भी नहीं है, 0 है. Now see the 10th question. What is the difference between the face that comes the most number of times and the faces that comes the least number of times? So which मोस्ट नंबर में कितना है? 8 एंड लीस्ट वन में मोस्ट नंबर में 8 एंड लीस्ट वन इज द 3. ओके, सो 8 minus 3, what you have to do? 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, your answer is 5. What is the difference? 5 is the difference. Now we have to see the graph here. Okay, so see it. This way you have to show the graph. See here point is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ओके, सो फर्स्ट जो है वो 1 डॉट वाला फेस 3 times, so you have to show in 3 times. This way you have to draw it. Okay, this way you have to draw it. Now second faces जो है वो see second faces का dot 8 times, so you have to show here second faces 8 times here, exactly match on 8 line. Then third faces is the how many times? It's a 5 times. Okay, so you have to show here this way, you have to show here 5 times exactly on 5. Then fourth जो है वो 4 times, so 4 on 4 margin you have to show it. Here you have to use scale. Okay, with the help of the scale and pencil and rubber you can able to draw like the bar chart. This one, ये चार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं हम? बार चार्ट बोलते हैं. दिस टाइप का आपको चार्ट ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. फिफ्थ डॉट वाला जो डाइज है वो भी 4 टाइम्स है. दिस वन 4 टाइम्स, सो हियर यू हैव टू शो इट 4 टाइम्स. 6 डॉट वाला डाइज वो 7 टाइम्स, सो ऑन द 7 टाइम्स. ओके, this way you have to draw the graph in your book. Now we will see the next page in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.